A failing grade? I can't believe it. I disappointed everyone.
A plus.
None of you can score a top mark like me. Just a couple more minutes. Still scrolling. I just can't stop. Oh no! I'm late! Don't bother me. I must hurry. My head feels so foggy. Chloe, what is the answer for 1? I cannot tell you, Emma. Just a short nap. Then I will write. So peaceful.
Emma, wake up. Wonderful, Emma. A plus.
Thank you, teacher. I worked really hard for this. None of you can score a top mark like me and feel this happy. Emma, you shouldn't talk to your classmates like that. You will hurt their feelings. Chloe, you will never score as high as I do.
Class, please follow Emma's example. Great effort, Emma.
Dad! Mom! Look! I got a top score!
I'm so proud of you, my dear. Here, take this cash and buy a gift for yourself.
Thanks, Mom. I'll pick something wonderful! There are so many nice things online. Just a couple more minutes.
Emma, it is late. Go to sleep now. You have an exam tomorrow morning.
I am almost done, Mom. Okay, just one last page. Still scrolling. I just can't stop. Five more minutes. Oh no! I'm late! Emma, look at your eyes. Why are they so dark? Be quiet, Leo. Don't bother me. I must hurry. Have to run. I need to wake up.
Please look at the board.
I cannot understand anything she is saying.
Time for the exam. Begin now.
My head feels so foggy.
Chloe, what is the answer for 1?
I cannot tell you, Emma.
Emma, stop whispering. Focus on your own test.
Blank. I remember nothing at all. This is impossible. Just a short nap. Then I will write. So peaceful.
Time is up, everyone. Emma, wake up. Emma, it's time to wake up.
What? Is it finished?
You haven't answered anything. Emma, I expected much better from you. Chloe, amazing job. You got a top score.
Yes! Thank you, teacher.
And Emma, you got a failing grade.
A failing grade? I can't believe it. I disappointed everyone.
How was your exam, Emma?
Mom, I am so sorry. I failed the test.
Failed? How could you be so careless? You stayed up all night, didn't you? I gave you money to reward your success, not to ruin your future.
Sorry, Mom. Please stop shouting. Can't take this anymore.
Emma, wait! Come back! Right now!
Emma, stop running! It's dangerous!
Calm down. You are safe now. Stop crying. You are not allowed to stay up late browsing the phone anymore. It took away all your energy. Do you understand? Let's go inside and have a serious talk with Mom.
I'm sorry, Mom. I was wrong to stay on my phone all night, but I promise I will never do it again.
Mom forgives you, but promise me you will study hard.